In this video, you will learn how to solve question number 12 of the West Africa Examination Council SSE 2023 objective question. And this question is going to be a question on word problems. Don't forget to check the description section for a full playlist of question number 1 to 50 of this same exam. Now, how do we go about solving this? The question says 1/3 the sum of two numbers is 12. Twice their difference is 12. Find the numbers. Now, when solving word problems, I do advise my students to take it one word after another, sentence after another. Now, for us to start off, we want us to look at, let the two values be m and what? And n. So if the two value is m and n, the first expression says 1/3 the sum of two numbers is 12. Now 1/3 the sum of those two numbers, expression 1. We have 1 divided by 3, the sum of m plus n is equal to 12. And that is our expression 1. Now let's expand that expression 1. If we expand that expression 1, you are going to find out that we are going to multiply both sides by 3. We'll multiply both sides by 3. 3 will clear 3. And then we'll have 1 divided by, let's simplify that before we do that. 1 divided by 3 multiplied by m plus n multiplied by 3 is equal to 12 multiplied by 3. So if 3 clears 3, m plus n will be equal to 36, and that will become our equation 1. So you see, we've gotten equation 1 from the first expression. Now the second expression says twice their difference is 12. 2 times their difference is 12. So the second expression, expression 2, says 2 times their difference. So 2 times the difference of m, that is m minus n, is still equal to 12. Now let's simplify that. If you simplify that, you have your 2m minus 2n equal to 12, and that will become equation what? 2. So your main duty here is to solve these two equations for the value of m and what? And n. So we are given equation 1 and equation 2. So from equation 1, we're going to solve them using simultaneous equation. From 1, we'll find out that our m can be equal to 36 minus what? Minus n. So if you substitute that value of m equal to 36 minus n for the value of m into equation 2, you'll find out that that expression will give us 2 multiplied by 36 minus n minus 2n, and this will be equal to 12. So 36 times 2 is going to give us 72. 72 minus 2n minus 2n is equal to 12. So what do we have there? We're going to have 72 minus 2n is going to give us plus 4n equal to 12. Now, if we clear 72 from the left hand side, we're going to have a negative 4n equal to 12 minus 72. That means we have to subtract 72 from both sides. So we'll have a negative 4n to be equal to this minus this will simply give us that value will become 16. Negative what? 16. So if negative clears negative, our 4n will be equal to 60. And then if you divide both sides by 4, you're going to find out that your n finally will be equal to 60 divided by 4 is equal to 15. So the value of n is equal to 15. So having gotten the value of n, you can simply substitute the value of n into equation 1. And the equation 1 says m plus n is equal to what? 36. Now let's look at that. From equation 1, we have that our m plus n is equal to 36. So we can find our m plus, as n is 15, this will be equal to 36. So the value of our m, if we subtract 15 from both sides, our m will be equal to 36 minus 15. And 36 minus 15, our m will be equal to 36 minus 15 will be 21. So the value of m and n is m, n, which are the two values that are given to us, will be equal to, the first value we got is 15, 21. So these are the solution that satisfies that word problem that is given to us. M is equal to 15 and n is equal to 21. Do we have it in the option? Yes, the solution is 21 and 15. It doesn't matter which one comes first. Our answer is option A. So you see, option A is the solution to that word problem question. I know you did enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more solutions of the West Africa WASSCE 2023 exam past question relations. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.